In this video, we will show you how to create new user accounts in HeavyJob, as well as creating field accounts in HeavyJob, and enable Active Directory authentication. To create a new user account, go to the File menu, go to Users, and User Administration. The first screen will show you who is currently logged in and what job they're logged in. We need to go to the User Accounts tab. In here, you can click Add User. This will create a new user account for the manager version of HeavyJob. All it's asking for is a user ID up to 12 characters, an employee name, and the group designation. Currently, I only have one group in here, System Administrator, but you may narrow down the group to basically restrict access to other important parts of HeavyJob to certain users. We can also create a user password for the specific user, and we hit OK. This has created our user account. So now Adam Black is going to be able to log into HeavyJob. If you're using HeavyJob on a terminal server, you may want to consider this option to use field users on the actual HeavyJob Manager application. To do this, you'll have to click on Add Field User. What you need to enter is a user ID, and then you need to specify his foreman name in the employee library. Type in his name, the field group, the company name, and the registration code that's on his registration sticker, and then finally his password. Once this is ready, hit OK. A more advanced feature inside of HeavyJob is to enable Active Directory authentication. What this will do is basically match up your Windows login with your HeavyJob login. In this way, if you're logged into Windows Server or Workstation using your Windows authenticated name, it will log you into HeavyJob automatically without being prompted to enter in a credential again. To enable Windows authentication, enable Active Directory authentication here. And we just have to basically match up our employee name with a distinguished name from our directory. So in here we have Adam Black. On the right hand side, we can find Adam Black in here. You have two options here. You can right click and copy this, or if the username matches their login name, you can click autofill. If there's no difference in the name, it will actually find the correct username and assign it. You just have to verify that this is correct. Once you're satisfied, you can hit close, and that will set up Active Directory authentication.